drive for 10 minutes. Close and convenient is a good thing.
Okay, let's do this. It's time to dive in to our review of Valens Lake Conservation Area.
Oh gosh, look at the bumps, the holes in the road. So many potholes, holy cow. Flamborough.
All winters.
There we go.
We'll tell you our favorite campsites, our favorite hikes, and all the cool things that you can do here, like paddleboarding, kayaking, and just enjoying the downtime.
Yeah, I need firewood.
11 a bag or 3 for
30. Oh, might as well.
Take 3.
Yeah, I'll take 3. Yeah.
Any fire starters?
No,
I think we're good.
Just to give you an idea of how much it costs, at Valens Lake Conservation Area, which is any of the Hamilton conservation areas, it's a $53 per night for an electric site. Electric plus water, but unfortunately their water isn't turned on yet because we're about a week too early. So for 2 nights, it's $119.78 for 2 nights at this park.
Speed bumps.
Got some great little cabins here. So if we ever came back with friends that didn't have a trailer, we could always stay in a cabin. We're looking for dogwood. Should be off to the right.
Yeah, I think so.
Camp store. I don't think that's open yet for the season. Yeah, it's closed for the season still.
The camp store is open during the summer and weekends from Labor Day to Thanksgiving. It's a handy little convenience store. Prices are reasonable. Great selection of treats, necessities, and RV essentials.
Oh yeah, 171 to 179. And we're at 178. Why this is one of our favorite places to camp. It's close, it's convenient, but it's very rustic. And there's no Wi-Fi, which kind of makes us put our phones down a bit. Here's the electrical there.
And water, too. Water's here.
Oh, okay.
Our favorite sites to book are sites 171 to 179. They're large pull-through sites with power and water, and they're close to the trailhead.
Huge site. 178, it's a pull-through. 2 picnic tables, a fire pit, sunshine. So 171 is kind of the only one we've seen that might be better than ours, just because you get morning sun. And it's large and it's a drive-through. The Ironwood Campground seems to have the most sun in the spring. And it's full hookup. Well, power and water. But, yeah, it's a good one for the spring because you've got lots of sun. But they are back-ins. This is site number 44. No shade in the spring, but easy to back in, nice straight and level. '52 is nice and sunny if you're looking for spring camping. Here's a sneak peek of the ladies' washroom. Very clean, absolutely no complaints at all, and they have showers. Valens Lake also has washing machine, laundry facilities. $3 for washers and $3 for drying. Turned out to be a gorgeous day. We even have time left over to go for a little stroll.
For hikers, Valens Lake boasts nearly 10 kilometers of trails weaving through the forest, wetlands, and meadows. The Boardwalk Trail offers a unique vantage point to spot turtles, frogs, and a variety of bird species.
Don't trip on the roots, Dominic.
The centerpiece of the park is, of course, Valens Lake itself. Canoeing or kayaking here is a peaceful experience with plenty of coves and quiet corners to explore. So whether you're an avid camper, a hiker, a paddler, or just looking for a peaceful day trip, Valens Lake Conservation Area offers a little bit of everything. Come explore, unwind, and let nature work its magic. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come along with us on our next outing.